Here in the backyard, Piper's helping us by barking at the chickens, and Tug is. We're not sure what Tug's doing, but
Tug.
Do you want to here? Maybe we should take this away. He doesn't. No, I better check. I think there's a burrito in there somewhere. Pretty sure I smelled a burrito. No, sir, please. I'm busy. I think it's in here. I'm pretty sure it was a bean and cheese burrito, and I wanted to eat it. I'm gonna get to this.
He's about to step inside the basket.
It's right in here. I just need to. If I could just, I can smell it. It might be. Maybe it's a pizza. I take it. Did you find it, Tug? Hey, Tug. Tug. Did you find it? Maybe it's in that pile.
I think somebody needs a bath.
Uh-oh, Tug didn't agree with that statement.
You want to take a bath?
Tug, do you want a bath? Tug! Let's see if I can spook him. I'll make it move a little. Oh, that's just your fingers, sir. You're not fooling me for long, at least. Tug. Tug. Hey, dirty dog. Oh, weed. I got a weed in my throat. Oh, I gotta stop swallowing this whole. So that is Tug and the weeds. And then there's Piper and the chickens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on here? What's going on here? What's going on, Piper? You barking at the chickens? What did chickens do to you, Piper? Oh, she's going up. The chickens, on the other hand, if you're afraid for the chickens, I can tell you, they are unfazed. Here's Shoshana. She is holding her ground. Oh, she's pecking at him. She is not having it. It's Shoshana that's pissing her off. Shoshana keeps pecking her back. Good for you, Shoshana. Oh, Marie's backing her up. All right, Piper. You're losing this battle. You're going to have to give this one up. Come on.